Hey, you guys, Merry Christmas. We're going to go ahead and we're going to make these Christmas t-shirts that I made for my kids. And I wanted to show you exactly how I made them. They are so adorable. I cannot wait for them to wear them. It is the season. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how I made it and what I added to it. I'm going to go ahead and grab my t-shirt, and it's just a t-shirt that has a little bit of red on top. I picked it up at Walmart. It was only $3. And this is a 5T. So go ahead and check out your Walmart. They have cotton t-shirts there for really cheap, and they have them in different colors. So do not get scared. We're going to go ahead and make some of these for the kids. You can even make it for yourself. There's so many options you can do when you're making these, and it's going to come out adorable. All I'm going to do is iron it because I want a smooth canvas when I put on my decal on there, and I want nothing to move. I'm going to go ahead and add these Christmas trees. Look at how cute they are. They are adorable. So we're going to go ahead and add it to the t-shirt and to the top of it. I don't want it too high. I want it right by the chest area where you can see it. I don't like it too high, and I don't want it too low where it would be in the stomach. Once you have it positioned, go ahead and move it around. This you can actually move. It's not like the vinyl decal. I'm also going to go ahead and add the Merry Christmas, which I did in the red writing. So you can do it in any color you want. You can make these in any color you want. Once you have it ready, go ahead, and I'm going to add this with the trees. I decided to do the whole thing together since it is separate pieces, but it's one big decal basically. I'm going to go ahead and grab my ruler. I'm just going to start measuring because I want to make sure everything is nice and straight before I press it, because you can lift this. Not like the other vinyl that I use for projects. This heat transfer vinyl you can lift and move around, and you can do whatever you want with it until you get it pressed. Once you press it, you cannot lift it. Once you have it where you want it, go ahead and add your heat transfer sheet. I'm going to do 340 for the temperature and a 30-second firm press because it is a pattern on the trees. So you want to do a firm press. Go ahead and download your heat guide. I'm going to link it down below so you can go ahead and check it out. It's very helpful. It's going to guide you through the whole thing, and it's going to make it so easy for you to start making all these little projects that you're going to be obsessed with. I'm also going to leave the link to the vinyl as well as the decal so you can get a 15% off and a $5 off purchase. I'm going to flip the shirt and I'm going to press it down for a 15. So I'm going to go ahead and let it come down, and I'm going to stop it at 15. And it's a firm press as well. So yeah, Merry Christmas, you guys. I hope everybody's having a wonderful holiday. I wanted to make these t-shirts for the boys. I know they're going to love them and they're going to want to wear them. But they came out super cute. Let me tell you, I love them. I'm going to flip it around. We're going to let this cool down. Once it's nice and cool, you can go ahead and peel it off. The instructions are in the heat guide. It says wait until cool to peel. Some of them you can peel while they're still hot, and then some of them you have to wait. I'm going to go ahead and peel that off, and look at how easy that came out. Now, I'm going to go ahead and peel off the trees as well. And look at how easy that came out. It was super easy to make these t-shirts. I love them. Look how cute the pattern just stays on there. Go ahead and make one. And let me know if you guys try this out. Go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my link down below so I can see what you end up making for your kids, or if you made one for yourself. But they came out super cute. The boys are going to love them. Look at how adorable they are. And I love the fact that the t-shirt already has the red on the top. So it kind of all goes together. I love the pattern. I love the way the Merry Christmas came out. I picked that out myself with the fonts that they have on the Cricut. But everything came out super cute. I hope you guys make one. And if you do, comment down below and let me know. And Merry Christmas. And until next time, bye you guys.